Hey everyone, welcome to the stream room. Okay, so I think it's only fair and about time I introduce you to my project that I've been working on for a while now and talk you through exactly what we've done. So, for starters, the newest addition is our Corsair T1 racing chair. It's pretty mad, it's so comfy. We've got some other stuff going on as well. We've got 3 monitors, we've got one in portrait mode, and we've got the centre screen here, 4K, 60 frames, and then we've got 2 1080s either side. We're supported with sound by the Razer Nomo Chroma. Absolutely amazing, the sound quality is fantastic. We've also got our custom SNES wireless controller for when we're doing our speed running and our retro games. Stream Deck original, so we can really put some power into our streams and make them epic, control everything up. It's all totally linked into my stream, soundboard, everything. It runs really well through there. We've got a red Blue Yeti microphone and the Razer Basilisk mouse. It is epic, and then also the Elgato Streamlight in the background. Obviously you can see me filming this over here on the Razer phone too as well. If you haven't guessed, I'm a bit of a Razer fiend. We're going to come back to the PC in a minute. We've got the hat collection. We've got a bit of memorabilia. We've got a Grindelwald wand. We've got the All I Need is Starbucks and Pokemon. A few other bits knocking around as well. Glastonbury tickets on the wall from previous Glastonbury trips with a Harry Potter fandom coming on. The wooden custom 3D chessboard. Bit of Pokemon memorabilia again. Death Eater mask. Some oversized magic cards. My steampunk hat that I've been working on. Some my brain's gone totally dead. Some Sword Art Online pop vinyls. And some really cool lights as well. So we've got all of this cool stuff going on, but I know what you are all interested in is this bit. Let me swing you around so you can see exactly what's going on. We've got the Turtle Beach Stealth headset. We've got some more pop figures, as you can see up here, knocking around on the thing. And then we've got some bits going on here. So this is the PC, this is the rig that we've been going on. So we are running a 4.5 gigahertz turbo overclocked AMD Ryzen 7 with 8 cores. We have got 32 gig of Corsair Vengeance RGB RAM running at 3200 megahertz. We have got dual SLI GeForce Cerberus 1070 Ti's running in SLI, which are currently benching out a score of over 6,000 on Heaven benchmark. We've got an M.2 drive purely for supporting Windows. We have got 3 other SSDs. We've got a dedicated Stream SSD purely for things related to streaming. We have got a SSD purely dedicated to Adobe Suite, and we have got another another SSD, should I say, purely dedicated for just everything else. That's a 2 terabyte SSD Barracuda drive. It's amazing. And then we've got a Samsung Pro is the M.2, and we've got the extra RGB in there as well, and we've got Corsair cooling going on as well. It is an absolute beast. It rocks. You can stream in full quality. We've got some other nice little tweaks here as well. So we've got the phone holder that sits on the side as well, so I can charge my phone up. It's all on magnetic as well. We've done some really nice cable management. We've even buried them into the top of the desk here, so you can't even see they go in. All our cable management actually lives in the drawer, so you can't see any of this at all, and it keeps tidy down here. We've got our USB hub hidden down the back, and then all of our cables are buried as well, so we have no cables knocking around. This one goes through the desk here. The mouse one also goes through the desk. The Stream Deck one even goes through the desk as well. We've got some cable management going on under here as well. If we can't get a bit of brightness so you guys can see it, let me try and turn up the brightness here for you. There we go. So we've got all our cable management all underneath, all nice and tidy as well. And if we come around the back as well, we've got all the cable management going along the back as well, all routed into the top, and you can see those amazing chroma effects. If you want another view from this way here, you can see the Martin guitar. You can see the full effect of the stream around this way, and then we can come around this way as well to get another full view of the Stream Lounge. That's it. That is the Stream Setup Tour. If you do want any tips as regards to how you can set up your Stream Tour, how you can make your stream setup totally epic, hit me up in the comments below. If you want any tips on how to SLI graphics cards, anything like that, give me a shout, let me know, and we'll get it all smashed out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you do like the setup, if you do think it's epic, smash a like on the video so I do know, and consider subscribing for live streams, tech how-tos, and more epic content. Thank you so much for sticking around. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out, everyone.